How to enable pattern login in the SafePal app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want a quicker way to unlock your wallet in SafePal, then you can also enable the pattern login, which can make things much smoother. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device. Once you're inside the main wallet page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner and click on Security in the Settings menu. Inside Security, tap on Pattern Lock. Toggle on the button right next to Pattern. Now enter your security password for your wallet and then draw a pattern to create a pattern lock. Confirm your pattern by drawing it again on the next page and you have successfully enabled pattern login in SafePal account. Now your pattern login is enabled. Next time you open the app, you can unlock it quickly using your pattern. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.